list the set of numbers in order from least to greatest. And what they mean is to list these numbers. There's three of them. Okay, so you have the first one, the way you read that one, and let me write that down. This one here. This can be read as 2/10, because don't forget that this place here, that is the tenths place. Okay, tenths place. So there's no number here, but I'll put a 0 there. That's the hundredths. Okay, and the next one would be the thousandths place. Okay, so keep that in mind when you're reading decimals. Okay, so once again, that number is 2/10. The reason I'm really making a big fuss about that is that we should really just change that to a fraction. Okay, now 2/10, as you know, can be reduced, or I should say simplified, down to 1/5. 2/10 is 1/5. So now that I've done all of that with the first number, if we take a look at it, 1/5, 1/4, and 1/12. So remember, I changed 1/5 from, as you might recall, 0.2, okay? And the reason we have it as 1/5 is it's now easy to compare to the others. All of the numerators are the same. They're all 1. So now all we have to do is really take a close look at the denominators. Now, if all the numerators are the same, the fractions with the lowest denominator are the greatest in value. Okay, so our greatest in value then is going to be 1/4. This is the greatest in value. So let's put that at the end. And of course, since 5 is the second biggest denominator, then 1/5 would be the second largest. But remember, our original form was 0.2. Okay. And then finally, of course, we're left with 1/12. That's the smallest one. So now I've ordered it from least to greatest down here. And that would appear to be choice D. 1/12, 0.2, otherwise known as 2/10, and 1/4.